Hello everyone, this is the TEFL Masterclass. TEFL stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language. They always say there's no bad student, there's always a bad teacher. Eventually, you need to know how to become a good teacher. And here's what we start with. You don't need to give feedback about the task. You need to give feedback about the process itself. Here's the million-dollar question. Where can I find good material to teach business English? Teaching special groups. There are three main special groups that we're going to speak about. The teaching aids. And here's where it gets funny. Teachers tend to skip that part. But if you do, it's a big benefit for you. You don't just teach English because you speak English. It's an art. You have to be an artist. My name is Amr Attia, and this is my masterclass.